Today, creating AI music has become simple, but building a real AI music project, coherent, organized, and ready to grow, is much more complex. Because a music project is not just one track. It is an artist, a universe, a sonic identity, a visual identity, albums, tracks that belong together, a catalog, a way to listen to, present, and distribute the music. And the problem is that all of this is often scattered across several different tools. You can produce a lot of content, but it quickly becomes difficult to keep everything coherent. VALBUNO was created to solve this problem. VALBUNO brings together, in one single platform, everything you need to create and manage a complete AI music project. And above all, VALBUNO is built on a responsible approach to AI music, with an ethical generation engine trained from authorized content with the consent of artists and rights holders. The goal is simple: to make it possible to create with AI without building the project on stolen content. With VALBUNO, you can create your artists, define their style, generate their albums, organize their tracks, build their visual identity, listen to their music, manage their catalog, and prepare their distribution or monetization. And most importantly, VALBUNO adapts to your level of control. You can use a simple, guided approach with very few parameters, or go much further, with near total freedom over the artistic direction, artists, albums, tracks, and project organization. VALBUNO can be used to quickly create a song, but also to build a real AI label with multiple artists and a complete catalog. VALBUNO is the all-in-one system to create, organize, listen, distribute, monetize,